Good morning everyone. How are you? I hope you are watching my videos and you are doing your practical work. If you have seen my video, then in my last week video we have started this chapter 9, that is the using list and the tables in the HTML. In this we have completed these three topics in my last week videos, that is the list, what is the list, and what is the unordered list and the ordered list, and I have sent you the practical of these two topics also, and I hope you all have done the practical of these and you have made the program in HTML by using these ordered list and the unordered list. And today we will discuss the list property and what is the description list and something about the tables in my today's video. Let's come with me. So let's come with me, and we are starting with the list properties. Now let's come with the list properties. What is the list property? We have created the ordered list and the unordered list. In the list properties, first is the list style type. मतलब list style, which type of the list you are creating, वो किस टाइप का होगा? That is none, कुछ भी स्टाइल नहीं होगा. डिस्क स्टाइल, सर्कल स्टाइल एंड द स्क्वायर स्टाइल. जो लिस्ट आप क्रिएट कर रहे हो उसके स्टार्टिंग में एक डिस्क आ जाएगा, एक सर्कल आ जाएगा, एक डिस्क लाइक दिस, एक सर्कल और दिस लाइक अ स्क्वायर. Whatever options you will mention here, that will be your list style property. And your second property is list style image. If you want कि लिस्ट के स्टार्टिंग के अंदर एक छोटी छोटी इमेजेस आ जाए, जैसे कई बार होता है कि वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द फ्लावर्स, तो उससे पहले एक छोटा सा फ्लावर की इमेज आ जाएगी. आफ्टर दैट द फ्लावर्स लिंक इज रिटन हेयर. देन इफ लिस्ट स्टाइल, अगर लिस्ट स्टाइल में अगर आप इमेज यूज करते हो तो वो इमेज कहाँ पर पड़ी है, वो कहाँ से उसको पिक करेगा. यू हैव टू मेंशन द कंप्लीट पाथ ऑफ दैट इमेज, दैट इज द URL. This is the second property of the list. And the third is list style position. लिस्ट स्टाइल पोजीशन मीन्स जो लिस्ट आप क्रिएट कर रहे हो वो लिस्ट जो है उसकी पोजीशन क्या रहेगी. अगर आप इनसाइड करते हो तो वो थोड़ी टैप पोजीशन से साइड पर चली जाएगी, पेज के अंदर हो जाएगी. और अगर आप आउटसाइड करते हो तो दैट विल बी एट द स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द पेज. सेकेंड इज द लिस्ट स्टाइल. इस लिस्ट स्टाइल में आप तीनों ऑप्शंस इकट्ठे भी यूज कर सकते हो. इट डजेंट मैटर कि यू आर यूजिंग these three options separately or individually. If you want to combine all the three options within the one list property, then you can use list style, then type, then position, and then image. These three options you can use in this one. These three properties you can use in one. You can use in one property by combining with the dash dash dash. So this is all about the list properties. Now we will do the practical of this. Second is your description list. Firstly, I will tell you what about the description list. In this list, you will describe the main topic. Firstly, you will give the heading of that topic, and then you will describe the definition of that topic. Similarly, next topic and then the definition. This is all the description in which you will write down all the descriptions of your topic. This is all about the description list. So we will do the practical of these two topics. So let's come with me, and after that there is a table. How we can create a table, I will tell you this key, how you can create a table in this then table properties. Rest complete chapter will not be completed today in my today's video, but we will trying to cover up two topics. Firstly, the list properties, and second is your description list, and third, how we can create a table. I will try to cover up within your stipulated time. And let's come with me for the practical session of your this chapter. Yes, welcome to the practical session, students. Now in this practical, I am using the property list style property. In this list style property, I am using list style position property. Position property that is used to arrange the list inside or outside. If you are using the property outside, then your list will at the left hand side of your screen, and if you will use inside, then you will move your screen, your data will be moved to the right hand side. How we can use this property, as I have discussed in the theory that how we can use this property. Here I am in this program, I am using the properties. I have started the HTML program, then head, then title, then style type मैंने text type का use किया है. We are using the text type style in the body. in style के अंदर मतलब I am attaching the CSS means cascading style sheet, which we have discussed in my earlier videos, in my earlier chapter video. Background color I am using RGB. It will take the background color according to this RGB combination. Then H1 is हम इसमें H1 is heading, that is its color will be red. Li list color will be green, and style, then style and then head and. After that I have started the body. In the body tag I am using H1 heading में मैंने क्या दिया, benefits of the positive attitude. And benefits of the positive attitude का I have taken a color. Style sheet में इसका color क्या दिया था, red, तो it will show in the red color. Then I have used the UL is means unordered list. Unordered list में style क्या use किया है मैंने, which style property I am using, style is equal to list slash style list dash style dash position, that is outside. मतलब that will display these list content in the outside position, that is at the left end of the screen. And here I am using that position that is showing inside, that will show all the list contents in the that will move to the right hand side of the screen. Here list style position is outside, then these 4 list content, and same content I am using in this. And H1 benefits of positive attitude, I have taken the same list content, same H1 heading benefits of positive attitude. Here also benefits of the positive attitude. Here unordered list, that is the position outside, its position is inside, and the 4 list contents I am using here, and similarly I have used this list content here. Now you can see this complete program. Now we will save this program. File, सेव, ऑलरेडी मैंने सेव कर रखा है. वैसे आप सेव पे क्लिक करोगे. आई एम क्लिकिंग ऑन द सेव एज बटन. एज आई क्लिक ऑन द सेव एज button, it is shown here file name unordered list I have given. You can save unordered list, या whatever name you can give that name .html, and save as type में आप यहाँ से क्या यूज़ करोगे, all files. आपको हमेशा ये ध्यान में रखना है, whenever you are saving these web pages files in the HTML which you have written in Notepad, you will save this file with HTML extension, and save as type you will use all files. तो फाइल नेम्स में आपने जो भी फाइल नेम यूज़ किया .html, सेव एज टाइप में all files, and please choose the path desktop because it will be very easy to find the program, that how to run. Whenever you are running the program, it will very easy for you to run the program. So here I am using the desktop, and then you will click on the save button. Already मेरा saved है. As you will saved it, and then you will cross here, you will close this screen. Then at the desktop, then on the desktop you can see the icon of your web browser. जैसे here the web browser icon that is showing unordered list. Here I will show you. You can see, here this is unordered list, that is unordered list, and my web browser is this Google Chrome. It is showing the Google Chrome with the Google Chrome icon with this file name unordered list. Then I will double click on this icon, then you can run this program. When I am double clicking on this, you can see the output here. Benefits of positive attitude, benefits of the positive attitude which I have given of the red color, and the background color which combination I have used of the RGB red, green, blue color ka according to its background color is these 4 items and these 4 items. But that is at these items, you can see these 4 items are at the left hand and these are something towards the right hand sides. These are outside and these are insides. You can see this changes, that how you can represent your list items inside and the outside. This was your program. In this we are using the list properties position. Now according to your book, your next program is the description list. I am opening the HTML code of this. अगर आपने सेव कर लिया, आइकन बन गया, दोबारा से आपको नोटपैड ओपन करना है, देन हाउ यू कैन ओपन इट? क्लिक ऑन दिस आइकन, राइट क्लिक ऑन दिस, ओपन with, then go to the open with notepad. As I click on this notepad, you can see my program is opened in the notepad. This is your program of the description list. What is the description list? In the description list, whenever you are using the description list, first tag you will use DL. DL is used for the description list. Next is the DT, that is the description items. जो भी items आप use कर रहे हो, जैसे कि मैंने use किए DNA and RNA. And DD is description definition. इस description terms या items की जो भी मैं आगे description, detailed description जो देना चाहती हूँ, that is the DD tag I will use for it. This is just like this is the heading, and heading के अंदर जो हम उसका उस heading के जो भी हम whatever headings I am using, and in that which type of I want to explain that headings, then you will use the description. मतलब you want to describe that the meaning of that definition, then you will यहाँ definition use होगी और यहाँ पे definition की description होगी. Definition के लिए you will use DT, definition term tag, और उसके description के लिए you will use DD tag, that is description definition, and और description list के लिए you will use DL tag. और इन तीनों tags को use करने के बाद you have to add these tags DL, DT and DD. So how we are using this, you can see HTML program is started, then head, then title, description list, title, then style tag. I am using the CSS, that cascading style sheets. In this I am using the body में background color, I have taken the background color blue, font size 40. DT is the definition term, उसमें भी मैंने कुछ स्टाइल शीट्स के वो कास्केडिंग स्टाइल के CSS के कुछ टर्म्स यूज़ किए जो हमने लास्ट चैप्टर में पढ़ा था. टेक्स्ट ट्रांसफॉर्म अपर केस होगा, कलर टेक्स्ट का रेड होगा, फ़ॉन्ट साइज़ 30 होगा. और डेफिनेशन का कलर क्या लिया मैंने, ग्रीन लिया, एंड फ़ॉन्ट साइज़ क्या लिए 20. अब डिस्क्रिप्शन लिस्ट स्टार्ट कर दी, एंड आफ्टर दैट डिस्क्रिप्शन टर्म, फर्स्ट टर्म इज़ DNA इज़ एंड, देन इसकी डेफिनेशन में क्या लिखा है, DNA स्टैंड फॉर दिस एसिड. नेक्स्ट DT टर्म मैंने यूज़ किया RNA. नेक्स्ट आई हैव गिवन द डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ द RNA स्टैंड्स फॉर राइबोन्यूक्लिक एसिड्स, लाइक दिस. DT का यहाँ DT एंड, इस DD का यहाँ पे DD एंड, इस DT का यहाँ पे DT एंड, एंड हेयर D इज एंडेड with /DD tag. उसके बाद डिस्क्रिप्शन लिस्ट L, एंड देन द डिस्क्रिप्शन लिस्ट इज एंडेड विद DL. देन बॉडी इज एंड, देन HTML इज एंड. दस प्लस साइन में शो हो रहा है. Similarly, you will save this program with HTML, with .html extension, and save as type में आप क्या यूज़ करोगे, save as type में वही all files. और please try to save these programs on the desktop because it will be very easy to find and to see the web browser icon with this file name. Then you have to save. I am not saving because it is already saved. Then I am crossing. And you can see this icon, that is the description list here. It is showing description list. Double click on this description list and you can see the output here. Background color मैंने blue यूज़ किया था. ब्लू के ऊपर मैंने ये रेड यूज़ किया था. DNA RNA अपर केस की इसकी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन दी थी, तो ये अपर केस में शो कर रहा है, रेड कलर है, बट ब्लू के ऊपर रेड कलर मजेंटा शेड में शो ऑफ हो रहा है. फिर DNA स्टैंड फॉर जो भी हमने इसका डिस्क्रिप्शन, and these are DNA and RNA definition terms, and these are the definition descriptions. So this was all about for today's videos. for today's video. In this we have discussed two properties. लिस्ट हमने लास्ट वीक वीडियोस के अंदर हमने लिस्ट डिस्कस की थी, अनऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट एंड ऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट. आज अनऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट में हमने लिस्ट प्रॉपर्टीज़ यूज़ की हैं. मैंने आपको तीन प्रॉपर्टीज़ के बारे में बताया. एक प्रॉपर्टी मैंने यूज़ करके प्रैक्टिकल में शो ऑफ की है, दैट इज़ द डिस्क्रिप्शन, दैट इज़ द अनऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट की जो मैंने स्टाइल प्रॉपर्टी यूज़ की है, दैट इज़ इनसाइड एंड आउटसाइड. After that we have used the description list, that how you can describe the description list with the description terms. And that was all about for today's video. In this we have discussed with these two practicals. Please do the practice of these two practicals, otherwise it will be very difficult for you. If you will skip these practical session, it will be very difficult for you to understand the program. अगर आपने last चैप्टर के भी प्रैक्टिकल नहीं किए हैं तो आपको ये चैप्टर समझना भी बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो रहा होगा, बिकॉज इन दिस वी आर यूजिंग दीज CSS cascading style sheet property which we have used in our last chapter videos. Please do the practical of these two, because these two chapters are linked to each other. So please do it. And in my next week videos we will discuss the next how to create a table and how we can use the table properties. Then this chapter will be ended. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.